Good evening everyone and welcome to this episode on what to do in Sorrento in one day from the train station. Guys, behind me there is the train station in Sorrento, and from this point from now on I will show you what to do by walk in Sorrento in one day. Guys, once you get out from the train station in Sorrento, just cross the road, be careful, and look on the left. Actually, there is like a beautiful mural down here, I don't know if you see it. This mural here is of a famous singer. Unfortunately, he passed away. His name is Lucio Dalla. He was one of the best Italian singers. Anyway, so you go this way, as you can see. You cross the road again, be careful, and you go this way. Then guys, what you do once you are at the end of the road, just keep like the left, turn on the left. And once you guys are at the crossroad, just turn on the left and keep going straight and you will go to the main square. The main square in Sorrento, guys, is Piazza Tasso. It's a beautiful place, I love it. Now I'm bringing you there and I'll show you how beautiful it is. It's a little square, it's nothing like, crazy. But it's a special place because, I've been there like so many times. Even just a simple coffee there is unbelievable. It's the beating heart of the city of Sorrento. Also, most important, so from Piazza Tasso you can reach many attractions. So it's basically your starting point to go basically everywhere else. Okay guys, we made it. We are in Piazza Tasso and this is the beating heart of Sorrento. I love this place. Now I'll show you a few places that I really like. So the first one is this bar. It's called Fauno Bar, is my favorite. This one here. So if you have the chance, guys, please go. I don't know if you like having breakfast out, just go there maybe in the morning or like to have an aperitivo in the afternoon. It's an amazing place. I go there like very often. And this is another one which is really nice. Bar Ercolano. This one you see here. This is another bar which is gorgeous. And okay, so guys, from this point, basically from Piazza Tasso, if you're spending a day in Sorrento, in my opinion, you have a couple of options. If you're considering to spend part of your day on the beach, you go this side. This side, now I'll show you because we are going to the beach, or you can stroll around. This is the pedestrian-like road, which is Corso Italia, where you can basically walk and, having like shopping, and then there is another road. I'm getting you there now, which is the historical center with these little narrow streets where you can basically, having shopping too. It's a beautiful place. We will get there like later anyway because I'm showing you everything, which is this road. From this road you get access to the historical center. We are going now this way because this is the way to the beach. In this period of the year, guys, Sorrento is very busy. Now, so it's June. This is actually another like tip I can give you. If you're thinking to come to Sorrento, maybe decide a month which is not too crowded. June is still okay. I would say maybe the first 2 weeks. Otherwise, I would say May, it's perfect. The end of April, the last 2 weeks. I love September as a month. And then I would say October too. October is perfect. I'll tell you also, guys, the pros of the month. So basically I would say in June and September, the weather is, in my opinion, perfect. Because you can have like even, a dip in the sea. You can jump into the sea, refreshing yourself. Maybe in May, April and October, the water is still cold. So maybe it's not like the best. Okay guys, we are at the entrance of the main villa that we need to basically pass through to get to the beach. And to go to the beach you have like two options. One is by elevator and the other one is by walk. But before getting into the villa, I'll show you this place, which is on the right here, which is the cloister of San Francesco. Guys, this place is beautiful. Look here. This cloister, it's amazing. And guys, here every season, like spring, summer, there is an exhibition, which are like there in this little door. It's a photography exhibition. So maybe before going to the beach, you can come here and take like some pictures, okay? Once you guys are out, so this is the villa. In my opinion, is one of the best views in Sorrento of the Vesuvius on the background. This is the way to go to the elevator, which is basically there, as you can see. That's the elevator, okay? It's by payment, of course, but just a few euros. Otherwise, the other option is this one. I'll show you first the view, which is gorgeous in my opinion, of the Vesuvius on the background. Can you see it? Amazing. So this is, guys, the view you get from the main villa. In my opinion, it's unbelievable. And down, if you look down, there are, as you can see, all the beaches. They're all private, but the prices are still okay, compared, of course, maybe to a Positano or an Amalfi. And guys, this is, I'll show you now the stairs, where you can start your journey to the beach. And of course, they are for free. Thanks God. You see here? All the people going down? Yeah? You see all the people coming and going? And I love this place. It's one of my favorite. I could honestly, guys, spend the rest of my day here just watching at this beauty. I love nature, I love landscapes. This is incredible. I love this. You can see all the coast and the Vesuvius on the background. Here you can see also a beautiful sunset. It's like, I think, almost 7 o'clock in the evening now. But guys, so I'm not going to the beach, of course, because it's late, and that's up to you. The only thing I want to tell you is this. So if you want to spend part of your day on the beach, this is the way to go. There are like many private beaches down there. In my opinion, one of the best is Leonelli's beach. It's the biggest, I'll show you. So if you guys look down, there are like all these private beaches here. And the one I'm talking about, this one, is the biggest one, this. All the beaches, all the private beaches, they offer a service of food and beverage, so you can go there, eating, drinking, everything. And guys, the surprises are not over, because now we are going to my favorite place, which once you're out from the main villa, there is also this beautiful mural. Once you're out from the main villa, you just get on the right, and then we will go to Marina Grande, which is my favorite place, especially this time of the day. Guys, just one more thing. So in the description of the YouTube video, you can find many links where you can check the accommodations of B&Bs and hotels in Sorrento. And actually you can check also like some activities you can do. So feel free to look at them. And if you have any questions, just write below in the comments and I'll reply ASAP, as soon as I can. Sorry, my bad is as soon as possible. Anyway, it's the same. So yeah, anything, like if you need help, I'm happy to help. So guys, at the end of the road, you will get to another square, which is this one, which is amazing. And you have another beautiful view. And then if you get on the right, you just follow the road, and then you keep going, taking the left, and you will reach Marina Grande. I'll show you now. This is another lovely spot. I love this. With this like little window here. Gorgeous, isn't it? Let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going. I want to show you this beautiful place. Oh, guys, one more thing. Feel free like to subscribe to my channel, especially on YouTube, and to leave a like. That would help. I'm happy to share with you like local tips of this beautiful area, not just about Sorrento. Now I'm focusing on Sorrento. I spent like my childhood basically here. I know Sorrento very well, like basically the back of my hands, and it's in my personal opinion, It's the best city where you can stay, especially as a base, if you want to explore the Sorrento Peninsula and the Amalfi Coast. Guys, while I'm basically walking, look how beautiful is this little hotel here. Amazing. Okay guys, once you are here, at the end of these stairs, just go on the right. I'll show you. Okay, you're up here. Well, there's a bit of traffic, and you go on the right here, okay? And then you keep going. We are in my favorite place, Marina Grande. Oh my god. Guys, you need to know that Marina Grande is a fisherman village. It is stunning in my opinion. It's beautiful. Look here. Look how gorgeous it is. Now I'll show you like something very interesting. So here there is another beautiful viewpoint, and there is actually a sentence here, a quote, which says "Veniva dal mare," which basically means it came from the sea. Beautiful, huh? And then there is a place that I love and I go every time I come here, which is this bar. Do you see the umbrellas? I think so. And do you see these little tables basically just next to the sea? Look here, guys. Look how beautiful it is. A couple of chairs, a table, the sea, the sunset, a restaurant just next door. And that's it. This is life. This is beautiful also guys, because like in the morning you can see the fishermen like walking and tidying and fixing the nets before getting out and going fishing. Yeah, so I'll show you like a restaurant that I really love. So this one guys you see on the right is Trattoria da Emilia. It's a very old restaurant. It's very recommended, very typical, very local. Look here, it's just next to the seaside. Unbelievable. And basically you can come here. There are like a few more restaurants on the left, and there is this beautiful beach club, which is this one. I'll show you now a thing before I leave. This is a place where really I suggest you to go, even just for a gelato, for an ice cream, because the view you can get from this beach club, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. I don't want to get inside, but basically if you keep going, you will get to the food and beverage area, and this is how it looks, Marina Grande. Beautiful, isn't it, guys? Oh my god, I love this. Guys, tell me what you think, because like for me all this is normal. Like I come every time, and every time like I'm astonished. I'm like, I don't know, I feel always like, wow, do I live here? Yes. So tell me what you think. Okay guys, once you're done in Marina Grande, take your time, no rush. You can explore the city center, as I told you like before, the historical center, which is full of little narrow streets with shops, restaurants and bars. So I am in the center now. So guys, you can get to the center or from Piazza Tasso, which is the main square I showed you before, or you can, from Marina Grande, just take the first road when you go back to the main square. The reason is why, wherever you go, now you are basically in the city center. That's it. And here we are. Here we are, guys, in the middle of the city center of Sorrento. And now I'll show you guys a very nice thing. Oh, sorry. A very nice thing you can do, because here there are some shops, they sell limoncello, and everything is made with lemon or chocolate or pistachio, basically little sweets. And they basically will give you that for free. Of course, you know, they expect, you don't have to, it's not like mandatory, buy something, but I usually do it, honestly. And the reason is why the products are fantastic. I'll show you now a shop where I go every time and just pop inside and they say, "Ah, would you like something to try, like a chocolate or something?" I say, "Yes, of course, I want it." Look how beautiful is this little shack here. Oh my god. Lemons everywhere. Amazing. Gorgeous. So this is, guys, one of those shops I was talking to you about, you see, all this stuff. Sì, grazie.
Limoncello, silica chocolate.
Wait. Wait. So this is limoncello.
Limoncello, lica chocolate, caramello salato, cocco limone, pistacchio.
Pistachio. Cheers, boss. And basically that's what you can do, guys. Getting like a pralina of pistachio and you buy something, please, and then you leave. Grazie. Okay, so beautiful, guys, like mission accomplished. We have like this little pralina of pistachio. We eat it. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is another one, you see? Alright, guys, I'm again in Piazza Tasso. I'm back. I just crossed the historical center. So guys, I promised myself that my videos are gonna last between 5 and 15 minutes, not over than that. This is the last thing I'm gonna show you, which is Corso Italia, is the pedestrian-like road where there are shops, gelateria, cocktail bars and restaurants. And basically to give you the last tips. And the last tips are, guys, so if you're coming to Sorrento, especially if it's June, July, August, September, so my suggestion is spend part of the day on the beach. Because guys, I think you're coming here like to relax, and so going on the beach I think is a primary point actually, and go there and you can spend the rest of the time strolling around. Consider that Sorrento is easy to visit. I think it takes like a couple of hours going very slowly. If you instead don't want to go to the beach, take your time to visit the city like at your pace. Take your time, no rush. Maybe you can stop in some places, having breakfast, a slow breakfast, strolling around, having a slow lunch, same maybe for the dinner, maybe next to the seaside in a beautiful restaurant like one I showed you in Marina Grande, but there are some others. And actually for that, guys, if you want some suggestions, otherwise this video is gonna last like forever. If you want some suggestions for restaurants, just write down below and I'll write you back down and I'll basically suggest you nice restaurants or cocktail bars in Sorrento where you can have like a beautiful dinner, especially like for special occasions, okay? I hope, guys, you like the video. I was joking. Just please leave a like, that will help. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, and nothing. I'll see you guys like in the next video. Thanks, ciao, arrivederci. Guys, before I leave you, write down below in the comments and ask me where is this beautiful place where you can see this beautiful sunset in Sorrento, and I'll write down where it is. This is actually amazing. Guys, if you are landscapes lover, if you love nature, this is a very hidden gems. It's not too far from the city center. I'll see you in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.